Hi everyone, this is Jenny from the Nice DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do this crochet bookmark. Okay, as you see on the latest videos, we did the crochet heart, so I'm going to put the link for that so that you can have your heart, and you will also need a rectangle, and you can do it longer if you want to, or more thinger if you want to. And for this one, I have actually a video where I'm gonna put the link to so that you can follow, because it's the same pattern as the crochet bows that I have. Okay, the crochet bows, they go like until here, but you will need for the bookmark to continue until the length that you like. Okay, for this one I did 20 rows and I made one heart. Okay, so for making this part, you will need your heart, and you will need one bead, and you will need a crochet hook to pull the yarn. So this is what I do first. You pull the 2 strands of yarn in the bead, and that's there. You can even do a knot here or leave it like that. I like to put a knot on it, see, so that the bead doesn't go. And then to have this in this side, what you have to do, you see the strands, you need to give it a couple of more swirls and hold it, and the same to the other side in the same direction. Okay, if you do opposite, it's not gonna work. Okay, so as soon as you have both with a few rounds, a few twists, that was the word that I was looking for, twists, you just like put them together and see how you just hold it and it will twirl around. Okay, so there's your part of the bookmark, and what I did is on the other side I put another knot, to secure the twist that you made. And see, you have your twist, and then with the tail you attach to your rectangle. See, if I'm gonna use this one with your thinger hook or tapestry needle, it depends on what you prefer. I prefer this hook because I have short tails. So what I do is I just like put the needle in between some stitches and pull the yarn in. In this case, it's gonna show because it's purple and pink, but when you use the same color of yarn, it doesn't show. So this one is gonna be more tricky to hide it. Okay, so what you do is hide the tails and make a knot, and that's it. See, that one is there, it's secure. So what I do is do a knot and then hide the tails, and then you're gonna just cut the extra strands. Okay, so on this side, as you can see here, you cannot see the difference, it's already hidden because it's the same color. So I will recommend using the same color or something similar. Like for this one, see, this one is a little bit more light, so this two, it wouldn't matter because they're almost the same. But with this color, it's really contrasting, so this one, it will be like really hard to hide. Okay, so that is for today's tutorial, Valentine tutorial for the Valentine series. And remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so that you can get a notification when the videos are uploaded, and give me a thumbs up and write on the comments below any question, any doubt, or just drop your love. And remember to share. Okay, so thanks everybody to watching, and see you on the next one.